If you're wanting to learn more about your Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600, I am going to recommend a few of my favorite Craftsy classes. These are online classes that you can take at any time, and one of them is actually my Serger class that I did for Craftsy called Serger Solutions Troubleshooting Techniques, and where he took everything that could go wrong with a serger, put it in a class, and it turned out to be almost 2 hours long to fully understand your serger from A to Z. And it was a great experience of learning how to do an online class and all the behind the scenes that goes into all the production that they do. And they do an amazing job. Now you can buy classes and keep them. That's one way to watch the online classes from Craftsy, but you can also subscribe to their website, and as a subscriber, you can watch any and all classes at any time. Another of my favorite is the Sew with Your Serger Quick and Easy Project with Angela Wolf. And if you're looking for fun things to do with your serger, you know, that's one thing people always ask, well, where do I use my serger? And she does an excellent job. I've done a couple of the projects from this course specifically, and every lesson I learned a few extra tips. Just one more thing that you could use your serger for. And oh, don't forget, you've got this on your serger. It'll make it easier than doing it on your sewing machine. She also has one more class called Creative Serging Beyond the Basics. And because she is an apparel designer, her ready-to-wear techniques are amazing and all done on the serger. Now, since this machine is both a serger and a cover stitch machine, I'm going to give you 2 more classes I highly recommend. And again, links are below this YouTube video where you can check out all the different ones that we're talking about here. One is the Serger and Cover Stitch Fashion Details. That one I learned a ton in. And the other one is the Cover Stitch Basics and Beyond, where again, I learned a lot more than I realized I didn't know once I started watching the videos in these courses. So if you're really ready to use this serger and cover stitch machine to the fullest, I recommend that you take a look at the links below and see which classes are right for you. And before you know it, you're going to be using your Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S600 for more than you ever dreamed of using it for.